Paper trading TradingView ka area kratkoide tayeri. How to trade on TradingView paper trading. In this video, I am going to show you how to trade using TradingView paper trading. If you're a beginner and want to practice trading without risking real money, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. Paper trading is TradingView's built-in trading simulator. It allows you to buy and sell financial instruments using virtual money while practicing in real market conditions. It's one of the best ways to learn trading, test strategies, and build confidence before trading with real funds. To begin, open TradingView and sign into your account. Then open any chart by selecting the asset you want to trade. TradingView supports paper trading for many asset classes, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and futures, depending on market availability. Next, open the trading panel at the bottom of the chart. From the list of available brokers, select Paper Trading and click Connect. Your virtual trading account will be created instantly with a virtual balance, allowing you to start trading immediately. Now let's place your first trade. If you believe the price will move higher, click the Buy button. If you think the price will fall, click the Sell button to open a short position, provided the selected instrument supports it. Choose the order type that fits your strategy. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. A limit order executes only when the market reaches your selected price. A stop order becomes active once the market reaches your trigger price. Enter the quantity you want to trade, then set your stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Carefully review your order details before confirming the trade. Once your order is executed, you can monitor your trade in the Positions tab. Pending orders appear in the Orders tab, while completed trades can be reviewed in the History and Account History sections. These tools help you evaluate your performance and improve your trading decisions over time. Here's a pro tip: treat your paper trading account exactly like a real trading account. Follow proper risk management, avoid overtrading, and keep a trading journal. The habits you build while practicing are often the same habits you'll carry into live trading. And that's how you can trade using TradingView paper trading. Whether you're learning the basics or testing a new strategy, paper trading is an excellent way to gain experience without risking real money. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.